Chiang Mai again, a new temple that, it's not a new temple, but it's one I never visited before. And the interesting about this is that it's all built in teak wood. This is, you can see the post, it's a tree post, and so beautiful carving all in teak wood. And I will go inside in a few minutes, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And this guy here, I'm looking at it. It's carving in wood, all thick, very, very unique. Most of the temples are built in brick, and this is totally built in thick wood. Very, very unique and absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous construction. And the most interesting about this particular temple is that pagoda here is the typical Burma pagoda that is also was built in brick, but in the back have another pagoda, and that pagoda there in the back is was built using bamboo, and is the first and only one I saw here in Thailand. It's very, very unique, very special, and absolutely also very, very old. And see, that is a very, very unique pagoda. This is the monk house in there with the drum for the festivities. And going in that way, have also another pagoda building there. Very nice gardens in this one, and today is Sunday, and it's very early in the morning in reality. That is why it's not many people around, but in normal days, and especially on Sunday, will be a lot of tourists here. Okay, I will go inside now and taking my shoes off. I am in the back of the temple, but this is for the offerings. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous temple. This can make a very unique picture, very unique picture. So what is it? It's a beautiful Buddha. It's really, really probably one of the most beautiful temples in Chiang Mai and around. Not because the age and for the size of this Buddha and the ambience, gorgeous. I'm going out now. Very long video. I hope I can post it on YouTube. back to the street. Very, very important.